I'm Heather Humphries with Onsite Auto Solutions. I've been in the business 29 years. I am certified in 12 car lines: Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen, Mazda, Kia, Toyota, Subaru, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram. We can fix anything. From paint work, body work, reconditioning headlights, tint, windshield replacement, suspension damage, flat tire. It really doesn't matter. Anything to do with the interior, exterior, the car, top to bottom, we can fix. A lot of times we can stop and buff a scratch or touch up something for you, which we don't charge for. We do stuff like that for free. So if it's just a small scratch or a small spot that needs touch up, if I don't tell them to come back next week, I'm gonna stop and do it and tell them, have a good day. And the best part about our services, with every car that we repair, we offer a free detail at the end. So you always come back to a nice, clean car when you pick it up. Quality has always been my #1 priority. I'm very OCD about everything in my life, and it just follows over into the car industry. I check every car personally, I detail every car personally, and I oversee every car from start to finish in the process. You don't have to go where your insurance company leads you to go for your car repair. No cost difference, absolutely not. No matter where you go, whether you go to a preferred shop, non-preferred shop. A lot of times those shops have gotten overrun with work because there's one insurance company feeding them work. People are waiting months to get their car fixed because they think that's where they have to go. There's very few insurance companies that do it for the benefit of the customer. The insurance company's goal is to save money. My goal is to put your car back the way it was in good working order and it looks good. My grandfather taught me to always treat everybody the same, no matter whether they had $1 or $1 million. And so I've just tried to carry that over so that it trickles down to my customers, We offer a lifetime guarantee on all of our work. I know nothing's gonna happen. Everything's checked, double checked, triple checked. So you're not gonna have a problem once you leave the shop, but you have a lifetime warranty on everything that we do. I really like to make ugly stuff pretty again, and I'm not satisfied till it looks how it should. And when you come to Onsite Auto Solutions, you get to meet Cooper, the resident poodle. He's here every day for lots of love and affection. He's a good boy.